Hey everyone, in this video, let's do a comparison of Bookstack and Notion. In order to do so, here we are at bookstackapp.com and we're also at notion.com. And to do a comparison between the two, let's go ahead and check in with Cider AI. Cider is a fantastic extension for your Chrome browser that allows you to ask questions of AI at any time, giving you access to some of the top chat models that are available. According to Cider, both Bookstack and Notion are popular tools for knowledge management and note-taking, but they serve different needs and have distinct features. Bookstack is an open source and self-hosted and is available via hosting providers. It is designed specifically for documentation and knowledge bases. It focuses on structured content with books, chapters, and pages, and it has a simpler, more straightforward interface. It's ideal for organizations wanting control over their data. It's good for technical documentation, wikis, and internal manuals. Notion, on the other hand, is a cloud-based SaaS platform. It is highly versatile with notes, databases, project management, wikis, and task board. It is a user-friendly interface with rich multimedia support. It's collaborative, suitable for teams of all sizes, and has customizable workflows and integrations. It's better for general productivity and complex organization of varied content. In summary, choose Bookstack if you want a dedicated self-hosted documentation system for structured content. Opt for Notion if you're looking for a flexible, all-in-one workspace collaborative, supporting multimedia collaboration and project management. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you're interested in taking advantage of Cider AI, take a look at the link in the description. There you'll find a link to our link tree. There you'll find our top AI tool recommendations, including Cider. Click on any of those links to get started. You'd be helping us out as well, and we would greatly appreciate it.